Hey, Muli Bunch, welcome back to yet another reaction. Tinalanga, Mulidziwa, right? Like, you know my name. I'm TT and I am from Botswana. Dimashigiraku, Botswana, Lero. Lero. I love this phrase. Lero yeah, it's a song about tonight. The name of the song is Tonight by Malinga featuring Sangie. I think Emily B suggested this one, so let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Thank you so much for this suggestion, Emily B, and I'm really grateful that you guys found this other channel because, you know, I thought I lost you guys for a second there. These guys have been there for a very long time. I felt like we own this thing together. You know, they pushed me to do this reaction. So yeah. Let's see what Sangie has. It's been a minute as well since I reacted to Sangie's music. Malinga as well. I think I've reacted to a few of his songs on the other channel. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, you can. The songs are still up there on that channel, even though now it's more political because, you know. There it is, Blantyre.
Yeah. Yeah, what going now? Don't judge me, you know I flirt with girls that I meet every day. But if you say you love me, girl, I promise you that I go sing tonight. I want you come with me tonight, girl. So me tell you what.
I don't judge you. I know you flirt with girls that you meet every day. But if you say you love me, I believe you. But I go sing tonight.
Whoa, it's a beautiful song. I like what they did with the vocal there. Big up to the producer, man.
So me tell you what. Don't judge me, you know I flirt with girls that I meet every day.
At least it's honest. The thing is that at least it's honest. Like, yeah, I like the story. He's honest, and then when things happen in the future, you already knew.
Girl, I promise you that I will sing tonight.
Okay, Pula. My cat is trying to like, hey, Pula, come. No. It's gonna fall.
I'm coming home with tonight.
My cat is trying to like jump into the ceiling or I'm not taking it.
Tonight.
Sure. Mwana kazi you too fine, love or you whining. Jale mwaine tiye kunyumba kwaine. Don't pass by your house lelo uka yuza zaine. Pozuka ndiku sinta zina tunkazwaine.
Meri yako ndi namba kungoti ni kusamba. Malo moja cover, I'm tryna make you lover.
Wait, they're saying a lot of things here, guys. But I could translate for you, but I don't think you guys are old enough. Okay, let's hear what they say.
Tonight.
Sure. Mwana kazi you too fine, love or you whining. Jale mwaine tiye kunyumba kwaine. Don't pass by your house lelo uka yuza zaine.
Let's go to my house. Don't go to your house because today we are going to mine. Oh, I gave you, you're my wife.
I'm tryna make you lover.
Damva, umakonda touch echo pava. Your besties calling, tell her what is a lover. Don't judge me, you know I flirt with girls that I meet every day. But if you say you love me, girl, I promise you that I go sing tonight.
I love the vibe, man.
I want you come with me tonight, girl. So me tell you what.
And the video as well, like, yo, these guys are elevating the, like, I feel like there's a lot of competition when it comes to what do you call it, videographers, movie makers, whatever they call themselves these days, because, you know, This is no longer just like music video makers. I felt like they are using a lot of equipment and strategies and thought and planning. Yeah, it's the competition is serious out there.
I don't judge you. I know you flirt with girls that you meet every day. But if you say you love me, I'll believe you. What I go sing tell you tonight, tonight, tonight. I'm coming home with you.
It's like Barbie kind of style, but Malawian Barbie.
So me tell you what,
I don't judge you. I know you flirt with girls that you meet every day. But if you say you love me, I'll believe you. What I go sing tell you tonight, tonight, tonight. I'm coming home with you tonight, tonight, tonight.
made it.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one, Malinga. Big up, man. If you guys want to see that video in a beautiful, big quality, go check out Malinga's YouTube page. Subscribe to him as well and support him. You know what I mean? Like I always, I think like these big artists that are actually putting out really good videos should deserve to have 1 million views. I had a guy trolling me the other time. I don't know where this person was, and I was asking, like, there's a Malawian podcast, it's called Malawi Podcast, that I sometimes watch. I was like, yo, why this podcast don't have, let me just switch up here. Why this podcast don't have like 1 million subscribers or something like that? And the person was like, people in Malawi don't have internet. I was like, okay, but it didn't seem like he's from Malawi. I think he's just trolling me to like try to, I guess, I don't know what his intention was, but I would like to see all those artists have like 1 million subscribers, so that when they go outside to like South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, and all the things, they can show this profile, and that this artist is big enough coming out of Malawi to like showcase their talent out there. I don't know. I think sometimes I go crazy thinking about this stuff. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much, Zikomo Kwambiri, for the suggestions. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.